Alright, so tracking down a vacuum leak, because this was a little loose. It keeps coming loose, but I tightened that puppy up. It was just barely in there. That might have had something to do with it. Let's give it a try. Take the old G6 on a test drive here. And my lovely wife by my side. A little test drive. G6 produces, what is it, 250 horsepower, the 3.9. It's not the fastest car in the world, but it is fun. It's peppy. It's got some torque to it. Let's see if we can get this thing whistle or not whistle. There's the bus station up there. See that? No whistle. Well, was that a whistle or a squeal? Watch the torque. Watch our tachometer. Oh, look, my oil light came on. Sender. About $3,000. I didn't hear it though, did you? I heard tire squeal, but I didn't hear the sender. It's a BMW behind me, not a cop. It's got that ski rack on. Getting on the freeway, headed toward Marysville, Washington. I think every state has a Marysville. It's just a thing. Don't want to be on Highway 2, North I-5. Listening for the squeak. See, I'm not hearing it now. So I tightened down that, there's another G6 right over there, babe.
Oh, nice.
Nice. Green. It's by the weed shop that used to be a gas station right there. Look at that. It's a changing world. What do you say? I used to stop there and get gas as a younger man. So I'm going to listen for that squeal. Oh, metered. I forgot it's a weekday. We got a metered freeway and a truck going slow. This is probably not the best time to be doing this test drive. Oh, there we go, green light. Nope, see, traction control just came on. I'm intentionally quickly accelerating. So I can listen for that. Vacuum leak. Yeah, traffic ain't too bad. Doing about 65. 3:30 in the afternoon. That ain't too bad. Somebody left their blinker on. large sewage reservoir where the city filters all our poop. Good thing. Now we're doing 55. But Dana, I can't drive 55. Big tree farm. Dead trees, right? It looks like anyway. Front. Cascade Mountains. That away. On a clear day, it is beautiful. See the whole mountain range. Oh, it's that truck. Look at that whistle the truck's making. Thought it was the vacuum leak. Could have a bad wheel bearing too in the back. I checked all the brakes. The brakes all look good, but sometimes you hear that squeal. Do you ever hear like a brake squeal when you're driving this? Love? No?
Probably when at the top is down.
Yeah, or the windows down, or if it wasn't winter and raining most of the time here. Test drive cold. Here we go. I'm headed to work this time. And driver mode. Headed to work. This is a really small jump box. Look forward to reviewing this sometime soon. But right now, I've got to get to work on time and do a test drive video, which means I'm turning off the stereo. Off, power, there we go. Alright, so this is the cold test. Yesterday the car was kind of warmed up when I did the test drive, so we're hunting down this vacuum leak. And hopefully the audio on this little camera is good enough to hear everything. We shall see. This is my drive to work. How does it sound so far? I started it. I didn't hear a noise. Did you? I'm not hearing it. It may just be that little plastic piece, and I think it keeps coming loose. So I might need to put some Loctite or something on it. Let's see how this sounds. Sunday morning, man. Sunday morning, not an ounce of traffic. Now I'm hearing something. Is that? Yeah, right there. As I accelerate. I also suspect rear wheel bearing possibly too. None of these, I mean, when the top's down and it's warmer in the summer, odds are I'll be able to hear this stuff better, right? But it's a fun test drive video. All right. You can see it. Tightened it up with a 19 mil. Yeah, it's not too tight, it's plastic. At least it's tight. Screwed that puppy back on there. And test drive number 3. It's a Russ's idea. Pulling out of the shop, my place of employment. Cody. Around the back, the industrial park tank, whatever it is. Try not to expose where I work. And here we are. I'm pretty sure I hear a rear wheel bearing, but I'm not hearing any vacuum leak, so maybe I have fixed the vacuum leak problem, possibly. Yep, rain once again in the Pacific Northwest. Imagine that. There's Mikey's. Right over there. This vehicle uses more gas than Vicky, the Caravan. Imagine that. True. And a little side road here as the rain is falling down. So far so good. It's our new big YMCA building. Fitness. Yes. Something I should be more mindful of. Tired. Alright, well, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't yet, and if you don't like the video, you know what? Why don't you just keep that to yourself? I'm going to get the G6 back to shop, maybe.